Hello, in today's lecture, let's derive formula for quadratic equation. So quadratic equation in general form, this is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. And it has got two roots, and those roots alpha and beta, by formula they are minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we'll derive how we are getting these roots as alpha and beta as given in the equation. So for that, first step here is you will make the coefficient of x square as 1. So for that you will divide full equation by a. So we'll get x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a equals to 0. In the next step, the constant term, that is c upon a, this will shift on the other side. So we are getting x square plus b by ax equals to minus c upon a. Now here in this step, the coefficient of x, that is b upon a, this will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. We'll see why we are doing this. So let's rewrite this. So this is x square plus 2 times of b upon 2a into x equals to, okay, let's give some space here, equals to minus c upon a. Now here if you will see, this method also called as completing the square method, you have got a square is there and you have got 2 times of a into b is there, right? So if you will compare with square method, this is a square plus 2 times of ba plus b square. So if you want this particular equation LHS to form a complete square, so what we'll do is both sides of the equation we will add b upon 2a whole square. So we'll add on this side also b upon 2a whole square. So I hope this part is clear why we are adding, because on adding we can now directly apply the formula, right? The formula for a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is equals to a plus b whole square. So here instead of a we have got x is there. Instead of b we have got b upon 2a whole square, right? And on RHS, so this is, you will simplify it, you will get this as b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now left side, this is square is here. So on the other side when it goes, it will become square root, but plus minus will be there. So this is your x plus b upon 2a equals to plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. So why plus minus? Because if you'll see, if I'm saying x square is equals to 25, then x is not 5, it's plus minus root 25. So x can either be 5 or minus 5. Now this, on simplifying further, we are getting x plus b upon 2a is plus minus root b square minus 4ac, and denominator, the square root of 4a square is nothing but 2a, or x is equals to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is what is quadratic formula for the roots. Here you can write both the roots separately as alpha and beta are minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This derivation is important because this is also used in finding roots This is formula for the roots, and the same method, same approach we'll use when we are doing finding roots by completing the square method. So I hope this derivation for the formula for the roots of quadratic equation is clear. Thanks for watching.